Samsung is plus 26.81% today, and the reasons behind this move tell a bigger story about where global markets are heading. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is August 2nd, and today we are putting the spotlight on Samsung, a global leader in semiconductors and consumer electronics. Samsung is up 26.81% to 262,500 Korean wons in today's session. Intraday prices ranged between 243,000 Korean wons and 267,000 Korean wons. The long-term fundamentals for Samsung revolve around memory chip cycle recovery, foundry competition, and smartphone demand. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Samsung. Broadcom reached $200 billion RE memory chip deal manufacturing dive. Let us look at the broader sector picture. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. Traders are reacting to news that oil prices rise after US bloc's surprise attack from Iran. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500, NASDAQ futures edge higher ahead of Fed decision. Chip stocks wobble, WTVB. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Wall Street ends mixed as investors focus on tech earnings. Looking at how sector peers are positioned. Amazon surged plus 15.32% to $271.58 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Amazon soars as cloud revenue surge allays fears over ballooning AI bets. AWS reacceleration is the single biggest catalyst from here. Every point of growth improvement in cloud margin drives outsized EPS leverage given the fixed cost structure. The advertising business, now the highest margin segment, is compounding at over 20%. Watch for any Project Kuiper satellite launch commentary. SoftBank Group surged plus 13.80% to 5,260 yen in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by SoftBank Group, SFTBY, projected to release earnings on Thursday, MarketBeat. With momentum this strong, traders will be watching the 5,575 yen and 60 sen level closely. A clean break there would confirm the uptrend and could bring in additional momentum buyers. Risk management remains critical. Always size positions according to your own risk tolerance. Bajaj Finance made a dramatic move today, surged plus 8.32% to 1,141.20 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Bajaj Finance sees 29% profit surge in Q1, driven by robust NI and AUM growth, REDIF. AUM growth guidance and credit cost assumptions are the two numbers that drive the stock. Any upgrade to AUM guidance signals demand confidence. Any deterioration in 90-plus day delinquencies is the early warning. The cross-sell ratio, products per customer, is the moat metric to track. Here is our analytical view on Samsung from here. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Samsung. Broadcom reached $200 billion RE memory chip deal manufacturing dive. The HBM supply competition with SK Hynix is the defining story. Samsung needs to close the yield gap to win hyperscaler HBM contracts. Consumer DRAM pricing is recovering as inventory normalizes. Watch for any Nvidia or Google qualification update on Samsung HBM. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We do the research so you do not have to hours of analysis distilled into actionable daily briefings. If that is valuable, please hit the like button. It is the single best way to support independent market analysis and help us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for tomorrow's briefing. Drop your view in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is our spotlight on Samsung from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of the world's biggest stocks.